feels good to be back. Yeah. Oh, the science project. Oh yeah, we forgot. Why are we all making a circle? Should we join them? Okay. Let me just put my backpack away. That's not where to put it. Okay. Make room for me. Oh, good. Everyone's in a circle. Okay, class. I would like to have an announcement. What is it, Miss Leah? You'll be able to find out, Cece. Guess what? Guess what, kids? What? Melody will be coming over to the school, and the winner of the science project will get a visit from Melody and be on stage for her huge concert. Yay! I know. I'm glad you all are happy. Yahoo! I'm pretty sure I'll lose. Yahoo!